Here's how to fix your iPhone keyboard if it's not working. Now, if you're trying to use your keyboard, either a English keyboard, emoji keyboard, whatever it may be, I'm going to walk you through steps to get that fixed. Now, let's just open up a web page here, and I'm going to pop up with my keyboard. Now, if you're trying to type various things and it's just not typing, it's not working, maybe it's not responsive, one of the things that you can do, the first option is just to try to switch to a different keyboard and see if that one works. So at the bottom left here, you can see a little emoji. I'm going to tap on that to switch to an emoji keyboard. So I can try to type any of these other emojis and see if that works to switch between different keyboards. So I can switch back and forth. Just keep tapping that, switch back and forth to these different keyboards and see if that helps. If that doesn't help, what we're going to do is tap and hold at the bottom left. You can see it pops up with a few different keyboards that you have and the keyboard settings. So I'm going to tap on keyboard settings here, and it'll pop up with all of my settings that I can adjust and make sure that they're working. At the very top, you can see keyboards and two. I will tap on that, and you can see I have an English keyboard and an emoji keyboard. Now what you can do is hit edit at the top right here, and then you can delete out any of these old keyboards that you don't necessarily want to use. You can hit add new keyboard, and let's just choose a different English keyboard. Let's choose like English Canada. And then now that we've done that, we can test out and see if that English Canada keyboard works. So let's go back into Safari. At the bottom left, I'm going to tap on that, and then you can see it switches to English Canada. Right where it says space, it'll switch between English US and English Canada. So I can try typing on that keyboard and to see if that works. Now, if it still doesn't work, the next step that we'll do is hop out of here, and we'll go into our settings, and we'll just go back and back and back, and then we'll tap on General and then Software Update. You want to check to see if there is a software update. All of these keyboards are built into the iOS updates. So if you have an update for iOS, go ahead and update to get the latest version. Sometimes this helps and fixes anything in basically your keyboards not working. And then the last thing that I recommend doing is just to go into your app store here. We'll tap on search at the bottom right. And we're just going to search for a keyboard here. So there are third-party keyboards that you can download and install. So just go through this list and install any of these third-party keyboards. It doesn't really matter which one. A lot of them are free. And then try out and test these third-party keyboards to see if those work. And if those do work, you can just go ahead and use those. Or you could always just contact Apple or bring your phone into Apple to figure out why specifically your keyboards are not working, even though those third-party keyboards are working. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.